In today's video, I am going to teach you how to design Shopify store banner. A strong banner helps customers understand what you sell and why they should care, right at the top of your storefront. Today, we will design a simple, effective hero banner with an image, a heading, and a call to action button. Follow along at your own pace and pause the video if you need extra time to click through the menus. First, go to your Shopify admin and click Online Store. This is where you manage what customers actually see on your website. When you click into Online Store, you will be taken to Theme Settings, where you can customize the layout and content for the front end. Next, click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor so you can change elements without guessing how they will look. Look for the option that lets you customize your current theme. If you have multiple themes, make sure you are editing the one that is currently being used on your store. Now, click Hero. The Hero section is typically the large banner area at the top of the page. Since the Hero area is highly visible, it is the perfect place for your main image, a short message, and a button that directs shoppers to take action. After that, upload your banner image. In the theme editor, you will see an option to add or change the image for the hero. Choose a clear, high-quality image that matches your brand and fits well in a banner layout. Once the image is selected, take a moment to confirm it appears correctly in the hero area preview. With the image set, click Add Block. This is how you add text and interactive elements into the hero section. Adding blocks lets you build your banners step by step, keeping everything organized and easy to edit later. Next, click Heading. This will create the text area where your main banner message will go. A heading is usually the first line of text customers see, so it should be short and impactful. In the heading area, you will add your banner text, using words that clearly communicate your value, promotion, or main message. Now that the heading is added, you can move on to the next part of the banner. Click Add Block again to insert another element right below or near your heading, depending on how the theme arranges blocks within the hero. This time, click Button. The button is what gives customers a direct path to do something, such as shop now, learn more, or view collections. After you select Button, add your button. Make sure the button label matches your goal for the banner and keeps it aligned with the rest of the message. After you have added your banner text and your button, take a quick look at the preview to confirm the layout looks right. Check that the text is readable over the image and that the button appears in a clear, visible spot. Small adjustments like this can make a big difference in how polished the banner feels. Finally, click Save. Saving ensures your changes are applied to your live theme and remain in place. Once saving is complete, you can return to your storefront preview to verify the banner displays correctly exactly as you intended. And that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully designed a Shopify store banner with a hero image, a heading, and a button, all ready to help guide visitors toward the next step.